Hey guys, welcome to the Striving Forward, where we talk about social media, business, and branding. If you clicked on this video, you're probably really interested in hearing how you could drive more traffic from your Instagram account to your YouTube channel. And I'm here to help you, as today I will share a whole step-by-step strategy how to catch your followers' attention and lead them to your YouTube channel. The first step is really basic, but I see many YouTubers who have Instagram accounts missing this step. For a long time, myself included. And that is to show that you are a YouTuber and you make YouTube videos on your Instagram profile. Your bio, your highlights, and your Instagram feed is the first impression that you make to your new followers on Instagram. So show to everyone that you are a YouTuber there. One way to do this is to write in your bio that you are a YouTuber or you make YouTube videos on a specific topic. But I understand that for many of you, this space in the bio is really precious and you want to use it for other things. So instead of writing that you are a YouTuber in your bio, you can simply create a highlight that would be devoted to your YouTube channel. As you will be posting YouTube videos consistently, you will be updating this highlight consistently too. And that will make this highlight always visible on your Instagram page. This leads me to the next step. And that is that if you want to create a highlight about your YouTube channel, you have to post stories about your YouTube channel. And I would recommend to post parts of your YouTube video on your stories the day that you're publishing your YouTube videos. Think about it as a trailer. If you want to promote a movie, you will make a trailer that will be both an intro to what this movie is about and a teaser of what is so exciting about this movie. Similarly, you can promote your YouTube videos by introducing the topic that you will be talking about in that video or what you will be doing in that video, and by showing what will be so exciting or unexpected in this video. So for example, you can show to your Instagram followers that you will be giving a controversial advice in this video and they will want to know why you're giving it and what's your argumentation for this advice. Or if it's a vlog, you can show the part of the video where you're going to do the most exciting thing in that vlog. And people will be interested to know the whole story and how it ended. So don't spoil it, but let your audience know that something interesting is coming. You're probably asking yourself, but how to make this trailer? One way to do this is really simple. You simply have to download the video that you created on your phone, and using your video editing tool on your phone, you can crop a clip of that video and upload it on your stories. If it won't cause any problems with video quality, you can zoom in that this video would seem vertical because it's more natural for Instagram stories. And for example, you can put this horizontal video on a vertical photo with a desktop that it would seem as if someone have been watching your YouTube video on a desktop. Whatever editing technique you will be using, don't post these teasers alone. First, post some stories with the content that people are used to seeing on your stories, or the content that would be of value for them, or the content that they simply love to see on your Instagram stories. And only then put the teaser. Remember that you are asking your followers to do something that requires more effort than to stay scrolling on Instagram. So maybe they have to get up to find their earphones that they could listen to your video, or they have to go to your bio to find the link, to press on that link and to go off on Instagram because maybe you don't have that swipe up feature yet, and it requires more effort than just stay scrolling on Instagram. Therefore, you have to ease your audience into your content with actual stories that it wouldn't feel as if this teaser is an ad. The third step is to mention your YouTube videos in your captions. But as in the previous step, give something of value in the caption first. Instagram captions is a place for storytelling. So people read them because they want to read your story, they want to know you as a person, and they want to know what you do. So tell the story behind why you created this YouTube video, share something that wasn't included in the video, or express your opinion why you think this topic is worth talking about. In this way, your YouTube video promotion won't be the focus of the caption and people won't be annoyed by it, and they will simply be naturally interested in the rest of your story that you started telling with your caption. So obviously they will want to watch this video. The fourth step of this strategy is collaboration. You probably know that one of the greatest ways to drive traffic to your YouTube video is to collaborate. But don't be afraid to collaborate with Instagrammers that don't have YouTube channels. Of course, collaborating with a person from another platform is not that easy because, as I mentioned in my previous steps, scrolling on Instagram is not the same as watching a YouTube video, and the audience has to be primed for watching a YouTube video. But if the person that you're collaborating with has a very engaged audience on Instagram, they will love to see their beloved Instagrammer on YouTube. Especially because this content creator haven't been creating YouTube videos before, and it's something exciting and new for his audience. The fifth step is actually a problem that you will need to solve. I have to be honest with you and to admit one important thing about promoting your YouTube videos on your Instagram account. The downside of this is that when you put your YouTube video link in your bio, it will open up the link in the browser and people won't be signed in into their YouTube accounts. So in order to subscribe to your YouTube channel after watching this video, they will be asked to sign in. That's why I would recommend to show your YouTube channel name as well as your thumbnails in the videos that people will be watching and in various places on Instagram. This way, even if people won't subscribe to your YouTube channel instantly, they will be familiar with your channel name, your face, and your thumbnails for the future. And once they will be looking to watch something on YouTube, they will remember your channel name, or if YouTube algorithm will show them your thumbnail, they will recognize the style and they will be more likely to watch your videos again. So it's a little bit more complicated than people think, but instead of feeling disappointed, I want you to come up with more creative ways to solve this and to remember your Instagram followers that you also have a YouTube channel. After all, it all comes to having an engaged audience that will love you and will follow you wherever you go. Talking about that, I want you to subscribe to my channel and click the bell because in my next video, I will be talking exactly about how to build an engaged audience on social media. Whichever platform you're using, I promise this will be worth watching. I hope you liked this video too, so hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and I will see you next week. In the meanwhile, watch these two videos about social media and remember to keep striving forward.